Learn about employee skills and how to manage them. This guide walks you through viewing employee profiles and validating skills. Access the Employees section. You may have a large number of employees, so the filters at the top of the page enable you to find the employee you are looking for. Firstly, navigate to the Line Manager section. From the drop-down, select the relevant line manager. You can also filter by department. You can now see the refined list of employees. If you still have a long list, you can type the name of the employee in the search box. Once you have found the right employee, simply select them. You can now see a summary of the key elements of the employee profile. You can view an employee's skills in any of their occupational experience areas. Simply select the occupation you want to know more about. Here you can see all the skills an individual gained as a masseur. And as a line manager, you can evaluate each skill's level of expertise. Or alternatively, request validation from the employee. This can be used to compare an evaluation, or, as is often the case as a line manager, you may not be an expert in that skill. This feature allows SkillsMiner to establish how much expertise they have in a given skill. You can also view optional skills for the occupation, and if there are skills that will improve productivity, request the employee to validate the skill and start performing relevant tasks associated with that skill. If an employee has removed a skill from their backpack, you can view them here. This can be useful to understand differences in people doing the same or similar roles. It can also often point to the fact that you may have a skills gap if there is uniformity of nobody having a particular beneficial skill. Add new skills with a click. Enter the skill you wish to add for the candidate. Here, we have entered babysitting. Select the relevant match. Here is another example. Enter driving car in the provided field. Add driving skills effortlessly. Secure your skills with a single click. You can view other elements of the employee profile such as their working styles. These are the soft skills that all roles require to a certain extent. And their interests profile. We all perform better at our jobs when we enjoy them, so ensuring employees are suited not just from a skills, knowledge and competencies basis will result in higher productivity and retention of key staff. Access the Analytics section. Here you can see where the employee is engaged. In this section, it's the internal jobs they viewed, saved and applied for. Comparable information exists on qualifications. Here, you can see how often they are using the platform. This can provide valuable insight into how engaged an employee is with regards to being agile, more productive, and wanting to improve. You can also view which challenges, missions, resources and courses they have viewed. This guide covers a range of actions within SkillsMiner's employee view, including accessing employee details, reviewing skill summaries, requesting validation, and exploring analytics.